minutes. It said 30 minutes on the recipe, but I left it for 35. It's definitely done. Maybe it was done after 30. Now it adds the sour cream. This is unusual. I've never made it this way, but this is what the recipe says. It says pour, and it's all of this. It's actually going to be something like 350, and it's about 50 grams short. So this is sour cream, and you put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. So I reckon it'll be fine like it is, but I'm going to try and follow the recipe. So, but if you haven't got it, I wouldn't bother. It'd be probably okay like that. But this will give it a different sort of, and it's got no sugar or anything in it. It's just sour cream on top. Then you put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. But I am going to, if you have a look here, I've got all this fruit here. It's got blueberries in it, but I'm a member of the food teachers page, and I'm going to put in, try and make a rainbow with this fruit. I've got all the different colours here. I'm probably missing a few. As you can see, I've got no green. I'm not sure what I can do. I've got some. Oh, I've got an apple actually, but the apple was more of a red apple, reddy green apple. I've got some cucumber. We could probably slip some cucumber on, even though normally you wouldn't put cucumber on. You wouldn't have cucumber sweet, but you can get courgette muffins actually, so maybe you can. But normally you wouldn't have cucumber. But I think just for the photo, we're going to try and make it look like a rainbow, even if I don't get all the colours. Now I haven't got any blueberries left, which is a shame because I put them in. I wish I'd saved them now because they could have been the blue colour. Now this might be too much, it might melt over the side. So a quick tip for that is I put it on the tray, then all I have to do is throw the paper away rather than dirty my oven. Now also you should always wipe the tray, but I think it's just going to melt. Maybe I shouldn't have put it all on, but I'm going to try and follow the recipe. So maybe you need a deeper one than that. Also I'm going to measure it for you. If I've got a tape in, which I have. Just as a bit of a guide here, this is roughly 22 centimetres. So obviously the bigger, the deeper, if you had one higher, that would be a lot better, the one with the colour on. So now I'm going to put it back in here, 10 more minutes, then I'm going to take it out, leave it for at least an hour, or even more than that, you need to cool down really. Alexa, timer, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Thank you.